Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do is give you guys 3 Cardano alts that I believe have the opportunity to 10x. So if you guys get something out of this, please like, comment, subscribe, and give me your top 3 Cardano alts. Tell me why. For those of you that just watched recent videos, I just did a SNEC video right here. So I just picked up some SNEC. Today it's supposed to be listed on the Kraken exchange. That's a big centralized exchange. So guys, keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. So right now we are April 28th of 2025. The market is looking pretty good. So we're just over 3 trillion in market cap. Typically I'm on CoinMarketCap, but today we're going to use CoinGecko because some projects are not listed on CoinMarketCap. So what are 3 opportunities? And I've got 3 different areas. So the first one is going to be a decentralized exchange. So as you guys know, with ADA, there is one major exchange that has a lot of liquidity. So that's going to be Minswap. Okay. So Minswap is a massive decentralized exchange. It allows you to connect your wallet, pull in money, and you could do things like yield farming. So by owning your crypto, we become the bank now. All right. So let's say you own some Cardano, some Min tokens. You can pool in those assets with other people. When people trade, make swaps, you earn a little bit of yield. Okay. So that is what's known as yield farming. So this is what the DEX looks like. It's very simple, guys. All you're going to do is connect your wallet, and then you can begin to swap. So right away, you could swap ADA for Min, etc. But it's my opinion that the price of Min is very low. And in fact, it is sitting at just a $33 million market cap. So as ADA continues to perform, and assuming that alts go, this is going to be a project that could do very well. I have a little bit of Min, not a lot. It's not a significant portion of what I own, but it wouldn't surprise me if this 10x, 20x, because getting to a 300 mil market cap, which is only 1/3 of a billion, that's not out of the norm, right? For some exchanges. So before we had smart contracts, and guys, there's so much more liquidity that we've ever had before. And Minswap is one of the main dexes where people do their yield farming with ADA. So for that reason, I think Minswap, it has the brand, it has a ton of users. So a lot of liquidity there. Number 2, let's get into NVL. So Nuvola. This is a project I've been following for a while, and it's already at $1. So what was the low? 62 cents. This thing's been pumping. So first one was 33 mil market cap. Guys, this one is only at 17 mil market cap. Total supply, I believe, 21 million. So that's why the price is $1. It's got a lot of potential. So Nuvola, they are an aggregator. So basically what they do is they will facilitate and help out companies and help them release some stress. So for example, let's say you are a gaming company in crypto. They will run nodes for you. And basically they buy nodes and they run hardware. And instead of you having to do that yourself, what you can do is pick up NVL tokens, stake them on their platform, and you can earn a little bit of yield. So if you want to run a node, or if you want to get exposure to get a node, it's kind of like a node index, if you will. Okay. So let's read this here. So I haven't been doing too many videos on it, but yeah, it's a DePin aggregator. There you go. So that's the idea. So Nuvola Digital is a DePin aggregator, deploys resources, nodes, partner projects. So again, like guys, these guys are doing a good job. I met them, and you talk about Iagon, running those nodes, Cornucopias, other projects. They have a ton of nodes, and they continue to buy them, run them, profit with them, run them well. And all you have to do is, instead of having to run your own node and without having to have any expertise, you can just pick up the NVL token and get exposure. I kind of view it still like a REIT. So instead of you having to do real estate investing, you can pick up, like a REIT, which is, it's basically investing in real estate without having to do property management. So it's just a really cool way where you can earn some passive income and own a quality crypto asset. So I like NVL a lot. Number 3, we're going to talk about Cornucopias. So guys, Cornucopias, AAA level game. And I can't even spell it. I can't talk and spell. So guys, Cornucopias, AAA level game. Guys, this thing is at a $14 million market cap. It's back at a penny again. I've been following this project for a while. It goes up, 7 cents, down, up, down, up, all the way up here. I should have sold up here, but I did sell at 6 cents last peak. This right here is the potential 25 to 50x. You take a look at crypto gaming, and once that narrative picks up, I believe it will, this game is going to do well. There is no reason this game should be sitting at the market cap it is at today. It's also multi-chain, not just for EDA, but it's available on the Binance Smart Chain, Base, and whatever else. So it's on a few different wallet contracts. Yeah, Ethereum, Cardano, Base, BNB. BNB was where I first bought it. But guys, this game looks incredible. The graphics, you can go to JPEG Store, pick up some assets. You guys can even hit up the link tree. I have a link somewhere under NFTs. Here you go. Cornucopias Marketplace. If you guys do want to pick one up, I think their assets are fantastic. So here you can pick up one of their racing assets. They have guns, everything, man. Like, this is going to be one of the most successful crypto games, in my opinion. And they continue to deliver. Wow, they're selling a lot right now. So good on them. But guys, those are my 3 undervalued 10x, really 10x to 50x opportunities. So guys, let me know, what are your 3 cryptos? Also guys, hit up the link tree, pick up a hardware wallet. Guys, protect your crypto. Use code Moose. Use code Moose. Did they add it to the ring? They're not listening. So guys, 2 card set, not under $50, but $50. No, it is $49.41. That's cheap. That's cheap. Protect your crypto. Pick up a Tangem. Get a Trezor. Get a Ledger. That's all I got for you. We'll see you guys in the next one. Comment down below. What are your top 3 Cardano alts to 10x minimum? Cheers.